Hello everyone, my name is Chris Felix, and I'm going to show you everything that you need to know in order to play in the Nova Scotia Scholastic Chess Association's online chess tournaments. Since we'll be using Lichess.org to host the NSSCA online chess tournaments, you'll need to have a Lichess.org account. I'm going to go up to the address bar and type in www.lichess.org and hit enter. This will bring me to the main Lichess.org website. On the top right, we'll see a button that says Sign In. I'm going to click that button. This brings you to the sign in page, but we don't have an account yet. On the bottom left of this, we'll see the Register button. Click the Register button. It's going to ask you to type in a username. You can type in whatever you'd like for your username. I'm going to type in, wanna be a rook star, because I want to be a rook star. It's then going to ask you to type in a password, so you can create a secure password. Next is your email address. And then there's a bit of information here. So computers and computer-assisted players are not allowed to play. So you're not allowed to use any kind of computer assistance during your games. This is considered cheating. There's a full list of rules and also terms of service. And there's 4 things that you have to agree to. You agree that you will at no time receive assistance during the games from a chess computer, a book, a database, or another person. That would be cheating. I agree that I will always be nice to other players. That seems very reasonable, and it's the same as at our tournaments in person. I agree that I will not create multiple accounts. Lichess.org only wants you to have one account. I agree that I will follow all Lichess policies, such as being nice to players and not cheating. You then click the Register button, and you will receive a confirmation email to the email that you had specified in the email field. If you do not see this email come in within a day, make sure you check your junk folder or your spam folders to make sure that that email does come in. Now that I've received my confirmation email and I've confirmed my account, we can start playing chess on lichess.org. I've gone back to the main lichess.org website, and on the top right, I'm going to click Sign In. You can sign in with your username or your email address. I always sign in with the username, so you type in the username, and then you type in the secure password that you've selected, and click Sign In. This brings you to the main playing area of lichess.org, where you can see there's a games window in the front. You can create a game, play with a friend, or play with the computer. Notice that in the top right, it will always show you your username. This would be a great opportunity to play a few games to get used to the lichess.org interface. In the NSSCA online tournaments, we'll have to challenge our opponents manually. I'm currently at the lichess.org main play area, and I'm going to click Play with a Friend. A new window pops up with some options for us to select. The variant of chess we play is always standard. We play standard games of chess. The time control will be real time. There's 2 sliders here. One of them is for the minutes per side and the increment. So this is just a slider, you click and drag, and I'm going to set this one to 20 minutes, and I'm going to slide this down to 5 seconds. So that'll be a 20 minutes for both players, and every time you make a move, you'll gain an additional 5 seconds on the clock. We'll select casual, because we don't need them to be rated on lichess.org. And on the bottom, there are 3 buttons here. The one in the middle is random colors. So when you challenge somebody, lichess.org will randomly assign you to play the white pieces or the black pieces. In our tournaments, you will know whether you are supposed to play the white pieces or the black pieces in the game. So if I was going to play the black pieces, I would select the black king. And if I'm going to play the white pieces, I'll select the white king. Let's just hit the white king here. So now we can see that we've created a rapid game with the 20 minutes plus the 5-second increment. I'm now going to invite the Lichess user, and I'm going to challenge Devastation. That was my opponent. You can see that the usernames show up in the list. I'm going to select Devastation, and then this will send a challenge to the opponent. When they accept, the chessboard will appear, and then you'll play the game. If you accidentally challenge the wrong opponent, you can always click Cancel. When you're being challenged by another opponent, a pop-up window will show up just below these two swords. Oh look, here's an incoming challenge from Devastation right now. To accept the challenge, you hover over the challenge and click the green check mark, or you press the red button, the X, to decline the challenge. If you'd like to stay connected to the NSSCA on Lichess.org, we encourage you to join our official Lichess.org team. This is not required in order to play in the chess and math events. However, it is required in order to play in our online casual events. At the top, I'm going to hover over Community and then select Teams from the drop-down menu. To the right, there's a search field. I'm going to click on that field and type in Nova Scotia and hit the Enter key. You'll see Team Nova Scotia appears in the list. This is the NSSCA team for online events. That's the team that you would like to join. Click the Team Nova Scotia title, and you'll be brought to the team page, which shows the tournaments that have happened recently. There's a forum, as well as all of the members that are part of the team. Click the green button that says Join Team, and now you're a member of the Lichess.org team.